University of East London stood out as a reputable law school in my search. Most of the tutors at the law school were well qualified and trained barristers and of an exceptionally high quality.
We've managed to keep the ethos of the law school. We're still a school that thinks very carefully about each student and their development, but at the same time we've got new technology and a new focus for the new century.
After college, I never wanted to go to uni, and I got a job as a secretary in a law firm, and then I decided that I would have to go and get a degree to be where I wanted to be, to actually be able to become like a barrister, you have to get a degree.
The fact that it offers choice of merging two subjects and you can pick up a major or minor path, flexibility for part-time students, very easy access, even if you live outside of London.
It's centrally located in the heart of Stratford, which is the Olympic destination. We also have top-class facilities in terms of the library.
It offers 24 hours access, excellent access to the internet, a lot of books for law and criminology students.
If students for any reason are going to miss a lecture and seminar during the day, they know that they can always come in the evening or vice versa.
The Law Society is great. They arrange things like study groups and moots that we do. We get given a case and we actually go into court in front of a proper judge. It helps so much because one day you're going to have to do it for real.
We have a law clinic and we also have something called the Innocence Project that can let students be overseen by practicing lawyers so they have a real idea of what happens as a practicing lawyer.
The law school at UEL helps you to develop as a person who goes from being told what the rules are to thinking about the rules. And it was the sort of lecturers that came, the sort of people that came to UEL that actually made the place, and I think have made a whole generation of quite exceptionally talented lawyers.
I think that my experiences at the University of East London has helped and shaped me to become a better person and even helped me to become a better barrister in the future.
As a mature student, a lot of people come when they finish education 10 years ago and they worry about how they will write, how they will cope with lots of reading. But if you struggle, if you have problems, whatsoever problems, they are really very helpful.
UEL develops the potential of each student and sees each student as an individual, yet at the same time it manages to create a collegiate atmosphere where you can grow as a group.
I'm really proud of my links with the University of East London. It's one of the reasons I've come back as chair of the Board of Governors, and I think it equips you to think about the law in a more creative and responsive way to people who have legal needs.
The teachers are really great, really interesting, and you do find some of the subjects you think, this can be really boring, but because of the teachers I think that they make it really good.
They can recognize what we need and they are there to help.
They also planned various court visits to different institutions, for example the Supreme Court.
And it was really good. They were telling us how you can get jobs there. It just does make you think that that's another opportunity that you could go for.
We have a dedicated employment and placements manager. He's trained to go out to employers and other universities such that he can get the best opportunities for all our students.
Yeah, they seem to give you a path. There's so many options that we have.
Diversity as well plays a very important role because you get to meet students from different cultures and different backgrounds that you've never met.
I understand people who have a serious pause for thought before they come into higher education and incur the commitment of fees. But I think if you walk out of UEL with a master's in law or even just a first degree, you're going to get yourself a job. Employability is still out there for people who've got UEL degrees.
Because I've had such a good experience, I would definitely not want to keep it to myself but to share it with other students. So when choosing to attend the University of East London definitely should be your first choice.
If you're thinking about law, I don't think you can do better than UEL.